Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on Pumpkin, my 99 Turbo Camaro. What we got going on is I'm removing this turbo kit, the T4 AC retaining turbo kit. You can see I've already started. And I got a new kit coming in soon. It should be here at the beginning of June, hopefully. But while we're tearing this off and we're waiting, I got a couple more upgrades coming along as well. You will see them at a later time, but in the meantime, enjoy the video as I tear down this car. Alright guys, we're going to end it off there for today. I was trying to get the radiator out, but the turbo is stuck holding it in. And I can't get none of the bolts on the turbo because I need to go get a jack. But I got the hose disconnected, so you either got to remove the compressor cover, which I don't have wrenches here at the moment, and pull the radiator out, or I have to take the whole turbo off, which has got to come off anyways to get the radiator out. So probably just gonna wait, pick back up another day, and I'm getting everything cleared off on that side, everything cleared off on that side, so should be able to get to those manifolds pretty easy and pull this thing off. But like I said, I'm gonna have to hold off here for today and go get a jack and some jack stands and get the car up in the air and get to some of the stuff from the bottom. But today I'm wore out, so we're calling it. Alright guys, we're on day 2 of pulling the turbo kit off. I got a lot done. Still gotta get the hot side off. I'm gonna jack the car up so I can get the turbo off out of the way and get the radiator out and try to get the full exhaust off. Gonna try to beat the weather. So enjoy the video. Quick update from the last video. Got all the turbo kit off and actually started on a battery relocation kit. Just drug this thing out of the car shelter there to kind of clean it up some and get it ready for the new kit that is coming. Got that installed. Kind of goes well with everything else. But we're gonna give this old girl a bath and pull the 18s off and put the 15s on. And have to get the radiator back from the shop, since the belt went through the turbo and smacked the radiator and busted it. I also had the upper radiator hose moved from this side of the radiator to this side, which you'll see all that in a later video. But time to get this thing cleaned up.